Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you best Shopify pre-order apps. Now before we get started, you can obviously go down below and you can click the first link down below if you want to check out Shopify free trial. But yeah, let's get started. So first app on this list is called Pre-Order Global. Now this is a powerful solution for pre-order, back in stock, restock alert, coming soon or pre-sale or back orders app. Now it's very easy to configure. As you can see, this is what you can do. You can pre-order, you can apply automatic discounts to pre-orders, you can set limits or unlimited pre-orders. You have mixed cart alert, partial payment as well. You have back in stock alert, email restock alerts, SMS restock alerts. So it's really great app if you want to go and if you want to integrate pre-orders for your products. You have full payment or partial payment. You have replaced add to cart with pre-order. You have increase your sales with pre-orders. So this is great for also fashion brands and anyone that has a pre-order, coming soon. So this is, as you can see, you can create pre-order badge for pre-order products on the collection page and bunch of different things with this app, as you can see right here. Now this app is obviously free 7-day free trial, but it also has $6.70 per month, which is really nothing if you're doing if you're doing already some money with this app. Now this app has really good reviews, 700 almost 5-star reviews, so you can check this out if you want to integrate pre-orders on your Shopify store. Second app on this list is called PIX. This is pre-order now and pre-sale app. This has a free plan available or an advanced plan available. It is a basically 4.4 star rating. And this is a more newer app, but as you can see, you can apply pre-order settings to variants, limit quantity available for pre-order, schedule start and end date, and completely customizable to match your brand's guidelines. Now, this one is a little bit better in terms of how you can set it up. It's much more simpler. So if you're looking for a simpler pre-order app, this one is definitely the app for you. Now, as you can see, you have storefront view, you can apply your own branding, and it's really a simple app to use. So as you can see here, just some of the things you can do with this app. It's a more simpler app than this one, but still it's a great app if you want to go and if you want to integrate pre-order into your store and into your e-commerce business. Now, if you want to know more about these apps, you can check out our channel for more apps. And if you want to get 7-day up to 30-day free trial, check out the first link down below for more. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.